Actionscript Actionscript 3 training. We're going to be taking a look at creating a basic function using Actionscript 3 today. So I've just opened up Flash. First thing I'm going to do is create a box, sort of a rectangle, and create a symbol. With that box, I'll call it the box. And just click OK. Now what I do is I want a couple more of these boxes, so I'm just going to go to the library and drag a couple more instances of the box out onto the stage. Now I need to differentiate between these three boxes, since there are three, and I'm going to manipulate them using Actionscript individually. So I'm going to give them an instance name. The first box I will call the box 1 underscore MC. The second one I will call the box 2 underscore MC. And of course the third box I will call the box 3 underscore MC. Now that I have my three boxes, I'm going to create my basic function. So, first thing I do is go up the Actionscript layer and rename it to Actions. This is where I'm going to put my Actionscript 3 function. Open up the Actions tab. Now let's begin to record my function here. I'll call it function move the box. So I'll move these boxes around somehow. So :void. What this is saying is I'm not going to return anything. I'm not going to return a value to something calling this function. I'm just going to return nothing. This function, all it's going to do is move the boxes around. So the little squiggly brace, this will contain all of my basic script. So the first box, the box 1 underscore MC, I'm going to change the Y coordinate. I will change it to 50. And what this is saying is 50 pixels from the top of the movie, the Flash movie. So that white box that however you've sized it, it'll be 50 pixels from the top. And I'll do the same for the box 2 underscore MC dot Y. And I will make it 20 pixels from the top, so you can see the difference between the two. And the third one will do something a little bit different. I will rotate it 45 degrees. So I'm going to do dot rotation equals 45. So when we run the movie, it should rotate that third box, the box 3 underscore MC, by 45 degrees. So end squiggly. Now let me just do a control test movie. And you can see that nothing actually happened when I tested the movie, because the function on its own does nothing. You have to call it. So let me close this. I'm going to add a couple of lines, and now to call the function, you simply write out the name of the function, move the box, in parentheses, semicolon. Now, when we test the movie, we will see that our boxes have all moved. There's the 50 and 20 pixel Y coordinate boxes, and the third box being rotated by 45 degrees. So it looks like it worked well.